Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are here for the first time, I'm Nokuthula Mabuza. You are welcome. If you are returning one, you're also welcome. And please don't forget to comment and like the video. Today guys, I'm at Southern Sun Hotel. Then today I've wanted to unbox with you some few products, so I've decided to do this video while I'm using my product. So now guys, I'm done taking shower. I'm gonna do my face. As you see, like, this is my face wash. Then that is the first product that I just want to introduce to you. The name of the product called Hypoderm. So I have three of them. I have the face wash, dark spot corrector, and also a day cream. Those are the three products that I'm gonna unbox with you. I'm using them for the first time, so I just want to see if maybe kuzoba nomehluko in my face, because my face is very dark. I'm not sure if maybe it's sunburn or what, but I'm using this product so that maybe kuzosuka the dark spots that I have, especially in my face and my neck. Yeah, so that's the reason, like, I want to try this product. Okay guys, this is my face wash. I'm washing like my face, even my neck also, to make sure that the color of my neck and my face is the same. That's why I like washing my neck and my face using the same product. So now I'm done washing my face. Then I'm gonna apply the dark spots corrector. So I'm gonna apply it direct to my face. The reason for doing that is because I was told that the product works well if you apply it direct to your face, not like rubbing it first and apply it in your face. So that's why I'm gonna put it direct to my face. now, yeah, I'm rubbing it over my face. Then I'm gonna also apply it on my neck as well. So the last step is to apply your day cream. So this is my day cream. It's Hypoderm day cream. So yeah, I'm gonna also like apply it direct to my face as I did with the dark spot corrector. So now I'm applying it, as you see, direct to my face so that the product can work well. Since I'm not going anywhere, I've decided to wear my jean and my black t-shirt. So now I'm also fixing my hair to make sure that it looks nicely. Spray my hair to make sure that it's not dry. So now I'm just looking for my brush to brush my hair. So I've got one. I'm using my old brush to brush my hair. So the last product that I want to unbox with you, it's a perfume. I bought this perfume from Foschini, so I just want to try it, but it seems like it's so strong for me, since I have sinuses. That's why I'm like nyakunyisa. So this is the perfume. So the name of the perfume is Christine Analira. So if you want to try it, you can check it at Foschini. So this is how the perfume is packaged. So yeah, let's see what is inside the box. I'm gonna put the name, if maybe I didn't pronounce well the name, I'm gonna just put the name on the screen so that you can maybe like get it well. So this is the perfume, guys. This is how the perfume packaged. It's just a nice bottle, if you can see. So it smells good. I'm just trying it now. So the perfume smells nice, but as I said before, I suppose not to take too much of it because of my sinus. So yeah, I'm done, guys. Now I'm just moisturizing my lips using a Vaseline. So yeah, guys, that's it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video up to this far. So now I'm gonna just chill and do my assignment. So it's been an hour and a half sitting here doing my assignment. I'm a little bit tired, but I just want to finish the first part of it. When I'm done with it, I'm gonna go outside and relax for the rest of the day. At last, I'm outside, guys, relaxing. Wow, I'm so tired, but yeah, now I'm finally out relaxing. I'm just drinking my dry lemon. This is the dry lemon. So yeah, nothing much, guys. As I said, I'm gonna relax for the whole day. That was the purpose, actually, for the day today, to relax. So since imsebenzi ngapheli, that's why I've decided to start my assignments. But the purpose of this day was to relax, doing nothing, just relaxing. So yeah, I'm doing that now. So this is the other side of the place where I'm sitting. It's a nice place for relax. If you want to relax, yeah, you can just enjoy the beautiful plants. You can enjoy this environment because it's surrounded by a beautiful plants. Yeah, so I wish to show you also the other side, but there are people who are sitting near me, and also there is a swimming pool on the other side, so it won't be proper for me to show you that side because I don't think people will feel comfortable about that. So that's why I won't show you guys the other side, but it's also nice. It's also have like beautiful flowers as the other side. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you didn't subscribe, please do so. Bye.